welcome to Crime 411. Fulton County School District in Georgia is the center of a federal lawsuit that was filed against them regarding a 14-year-old disabled girl who was raped on her school bus. That's correct, you heard me right. She was actually raped on her school bus. Now, this story is infuriating to me. First, let me give you a little bit of an idea of what this bus looks like, okay? This is not a standard bus that holds, 70, 75 kids. This school bus is a bus that is only for disabled students and has about 3 or 4 rows. That's it. So there is also an audio and video surveillance system on this bus. Now, the incident that happened, it happened on April 20th of 2019. However, the incident that took place had 2 weeks of sexual assault that took place before that escalated every day until April 20th, when eventually this poor girl was raped on her school bus. Now, the bus driver never reported anything. So you mean to tell me that you have 3 to 4 rows of students on your bus and you have no idea that every single day for 2 weeks, 2 boys on your bus are sexually assaulting a girl on your bus? How do you not see that? I can't even imagine what her parents must feel like right now. The girl, again, like I said, she has physical and mental disabilities. So she is on a level that is much younger than her actual age of 14. Okay, the lawsuit that was filed says that this girl has a very difficult time communicating with people and expressing herself, also in situations where she might be in harm's way. And so the bus driver didn't do a thing. How do you not see this happening on your bus? So 2 weeks of this poor girl getting sexually assaulted on the school bus, okay? Nobody says anything. And then come April 20th, one of the boys actually stripped this girl naked and raped her on the school bus. Stripped her naked and raped her. And you mean to tell me that you didn't see anything? Come on. I cannot believe that. I don't care what anybody says. I refuse to believe that a bus driver did not know what was going on. Okay. Now that day, he told the school that he believes he saw something. Okay, doesn't say what he saw, nothing like that. So the school, they advise the girl's mother that something may have taken place on the bus. She takes her daughter to the doctor, and the doctor confirms that yes, her daughter had been raped. I would lose my mind if this happened to my child on a school bus, where I send my child and I expect him to be protected every day, especially a school bus for children with disabilities, which raises another question. Any bus I've ever heard of that has students that are disabled also has an aide on the bus in addition to the driver. So where was that person? Why was there no aide on the bus? I'd like an answer to that. So with this, the girl's attorney, the family's attorney, asked the court to ask the school to turn over all of the videos showing the alleged sexual abuse for those entire 2 weeks. And guess this, they have refused to do so. They have refused to turn over those tapes. How do you even have the right to refuse to turn over those tapes? I mean, isn't there a warrant or something that you file a warrant, you get the tapes? I'm confused about that. How do they have the right to say, no, we're not going to give you the tapes? That's crazy to me. The school district, of course, replied with the standard, everything that you would expect them to reply with. It's a very serious concern, blah, blah, blah. But turn over the tapes. Are you kidding me right now? You have a 14-year-old girl who just got raped on your bus. Turn over the tapes. I'm sorry, I don't care if you're trying to protect your bus driver or your school. This is the life of a 14-year-old girl, and her life will never be the same. So you turn over the tapes, okay? You don't say no. I'm so mad about this. Anyhow, this case is in federal court right now. The family, all of the students' names have been redacted because they are minors. But this is a federal court case. I am going to follow up with this and see what happens with this case and let all of the viewers know. But I did want to at least put this story out there because this is absolutely maddening. Again, I don't believe for a moment, not 1 second, do I believe that bus driver didn't see something going on. And the lawsuit alleges that they were indifferent to it for the simple fact that the girl was disabled. Now, I certainly hope that that's not the case, because if that's the case, that's 10 times worse. But anyhow, like I said, this is Fulton County Schools in Georgia. I will continue to follow up on this case and update you as it progresses. I would love to know what your thoughts are on this. I'm sure that I can take a wild guess what some of these comments are going to be. But again, you can follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and we will update you in regard to this story as we get more information. Fulton County Schools, rape on a bus.